dito wala, dito wala.
Ano? Sa friendship lang?
Kay Kuya
kay Bas at saka kay paring Robert.
Hello, Bas.
Kay Grace pala.
Special someone. Ayun. Ang loob. Hindi. Oh, sanay na sanay ka naman eh. Ay, tinawag ng patagalin pa. Please welcome Jerome Delphine.
Robot na ako ng te. Pasa mo na lang. Hindi yan yung matapon na yan. Ito yun. Hindi yun. Bakit ang putol-putol? Putol-putol. Yan yung buo. Kaya mo na kahit putol. Nagano ba?
Go, Delphine!
When lights go down, I see no reason for you to cry. We've been through this before, in every time, in every season. God knows I've tried, so please don't ask for more. Don't you see in my eyes, this might be a last goodbye. Harry, things they change my brain. Whoa. Maybe we'll meet
Putol yun naman na.
again somewhere again. I read your mind with no intention of being unkind. I wish I could explain. It all takes time. It all seasons of being unkind. I want to be but this might be a last goodbye. Things they change my brain. Whoa. Maybe we'll meet again. Can't you see it in my eyes? This might be a last goodbye. Things they change, Gary, Gary, maybe we'll meet again somewhere.
Camille! Camille! May pasok bukas? May pasok bukas?
When lights go
Binibidyoan ko. na mag-video ka.